In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Slack notifications for your PC. Whether you're using Slack for work, study, or connecting with friends, keeping up to date with messages and alerts is crucial. Let's ensure you never miss a beat by customizing your Slack notifications to fit your needs. First, you'll want to open the Slack application on your computer. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're on your Slack homepage, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar where your channels and direct messages reside. It's time to click on your profile picture or the small arrow beside your name right at the top of this sidebar. This action will open a drop-down menu with several options. In this menu, you're going to click on Preferences. This will open a new window where you can tailor Slack to work best for you. The Preferences window is divided into sections. For notifications, make sure you're on the Notifications tab. This is where the core adjustments happen. Within this Notifications tab, you'll have a few choices. You can adjust your preferences for all notifications, making broad changes, or dive into detailed customizations for each workspace or channel. Focus on the notification settings at the top. Here you have three main choices: all new messages, direct messages, mentions and keywords, and nothing. Depending on how often you want to be disturbed, choose the option that fits your workflow best. If you often use Slack for crucial updates and conversations, the more notifications option could be good. However, if you're balancing between focus-intensive work and chatting, opting for only direct messages, mentions, and keywords ensures you're notified of the essentials without interruption. Now, beneath these general settings, you'll find options for more specialized notification sounds and appearance. Here is where you can select a sound or even turn off sounds entirely. Some people find it helpful to have a distinct sound for Slack notifications, so it doesn't blend in with other alerts from their devices. You can test different sounds by clicking each option. If Slack is open on your desktop when a new message arrives, you might want to control how the notification appears, such as on-screen pop-ups. Adjust this by looking at Show a Badge on the Slack icon. Choosing whether or not app icon badges show unread activity can help clear visual clutter if that's a consideration for you, especially when using other programs simultaneously. Once you're satisfied with how notifications are set up, it's worth checking out one more thing. At your convenience, scroll down the Notifications tab for Do Not Disturb settings. This feature is especially valuable when you're presenting or attending meetings, preventing disturbances during set hours. And there you have it. With these just a few simple adjustments, your Slack notifications should be customized to perfectly fit your workflow, ensuring you're always informed and never overwhelmed. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.